Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Margaret, aka Ahoufe. Thank you for joining us today. If it's your first time visiting, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So this video is going over how I do a basic twist out. A lot of people have asked about how I styled my hair in some past videos that I have done, especially my breastfeeding video and my how to tie a baby on the back African style videos. I had my hair out and curly.
If you want to see how I got my hair like this, keep watching.
Okay, so I'm starting with old hair because every week or so, well, not every week or so, more like every 4 days, every 5 days or so, I like to refresh my hair, and I refresh it in the way that I am showing you all right now. So I take down my hair, all of it, and I lightly finger detangle while I'm taking it down. I don't comb my hair at this stage at all. I like to do my twist outs on old hair because I think it adds to the stretch.
I'm going to speed up these bits for you because it takes a while to take my hair down. And don't mind my mouth moving. I was just talking to my husband, so. Had to take a quick break to put my little one on my back.
Let's continue. Okay, so what I do now is I just split my hair into 4 sections. I section my hair into 4 big sections, and then I divide those big sections into smaller sections. But I try to section it carefully because I don't like combing my hair in this kind of state. But then section again. This little girl. So what I do is I take a section of hair and I basically just dip my hand in the water. You can use a spray bottle, but I just dip my hand in water. And then I just kind of like distribute the water and squeeze the water into my hair. Not a lot, just maybe 2 hand splashes. And that's how I put water into my hair. I'm gonna split this in half. And I just kind of do it until my hair seems a bit more moisturized. It doesn't seem dry or crappy or anything. It just has a bit of shine to it and a little bit of bounce back. And then I kind of, not really rake, but just massage the hair and let the shedded hair come out. So I've massaged and let some of the shedded hair come out of this bit. I'm gonna do one more hand splash, more water. And I'm really trying to like separate and detangle. It doesn't need to be perfect because we'll continue to detangle when we add the cream moisturizer. But it can be conditioner too. That's why it's just any creamy water-based like hair leave-in conditioner or light regular conditioner. Yeah, so then I just kind of pull out shedded hairs. Now I'm taking the cream, take a bit more than a bit. You see how my hair is shrunken up? That shows that it has its moisture in it. Because shrinkage is a sign of good moisture. That's the curls and like bouncing back on themselves. So and then I put that cream thing in it. Yeah, so I'm just working that cream moisturizer in. You see how it's starting to get some definition. Add a little bit more. Yep, you see? You seal with shea butter. This is Ghanaian shea butter. I have it on my website at ahoufemaki.com. So you take some shea butter, rub in your hands until melted, and then you smooth it over that hair. And I like to smooth it into my edges. Okay, so now that that's all moisturized, creamed, and sealed, what you're going to do is you're going to braid the base. That helps keep the roots nice and smooth and stretched. And I braid it with a little bit of Vim. Yeah, so braid the base maybe 3 or 4 times. Then split the smallest part of the braid and twist. And then that's the twist done. And you just do all the other sections. It takes a little bit of time. You have to be patient. Don't do your hair when you're hungry, when you're angry, when you're in a rush. Make sure you have time. And this takes me about an hour. The comb and brush are basically there as backup. I don't really touch my hair much with combs or brushes unless it's very, very wet and very, very slippery, like a lot of conditioner in. I don't really feel like I need to comb it right now because my hair doesn't seem that tangled. So I probably am not going to touch that comb, the one I showed in the beginning. I tend to comb my hair only after conditioning it while I'm in the shower with water running. So shea butter helps seal in all the moisture and keep it very moisturized. So as you can see, my hair is not really that dry from the last time I refreshed it, which was about maybe 5 days or a week ago. And that's because the shea butter has held it in. That's all that shine. I haven't been, bless you, I haven't been greasing my hair or washing it. I don't put anything on my scalp. I just do what I'm showing you right now. After I wash my hair, this is the same thing I do, except I don't need to use water because my hair is wet from being washed. So the shea butter really holds in the shininess, hold in the moisture, but it's soft enough that it actually penetrates the hair and doesn't sit on top of it. Yep, so I'm putting some water on those edges because they're dry. Remember, moisture comes from water. See how shrunken it is compared to how long it is. Can't even see the length. That's how long it is and that's how shrunken it is. It shows the hair is drinking the water. We want the hair to drink the water. Then we moisturize with cream. Then we seal with butter. And then we stretch by braiding and twisting. You see? Yep. That's what we want to see. And it's still shrunken. It's drinking it, holding it in well. So this is now where you stretch it. You see how it is holding the curls. Again, it's not a gel, but it just seals in moisture. Alright, so now you've done all the twists. All the hair is moisturized and juicy. Just take the excess, rub it on my hair. Now I take a hair tie and pull my hair into a ponytail. And that helps with the stretch as well. It helps it dry, smooth. Pull it into a pony or even a bun. And that's me done. So come back after my hair has dried. Hi. Okay, so now this is the next day. I've had my hair in a ponytail the whole time. Yep, nice and dry. People are sleeping. I think I'm gonna carry on this voiceover, so be quiet. Hey. Hey, Gabi, dear. Pencil. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. I don't know the whole. Gabi, dear. We're almost done. We're almost done. Almost done. Almost done. Almost. You say you love me too. Won't you say you love me too? I love you. I love you. We're a happy family. I am very pleased to announce the winner of our giveaway celebrating 100 subscribers. Miss Tandy. Yay! We'll be sending you your gift directly to your house. I'll message you on Instagram to ask for your address. Thank you, love.